a German at my stay. Here he is. Timu? Oh. This is pretty straight up. So, yeah. I'm on top of the world. This is just nuts. The what?
Reggae bar.
Boy, that we got going on. We got the boxer right here. You can't touch him. After watching that fight, guys, I'm thinking about doing it. Is anyone trying to fight? Anyone trying to fight? Okay.
He's fighting?
He is. Bullseyepulse is gonna fight this guy right now in this ring tonight. 1, 2, 3. You ready? Look at this. This is beautiful. All right, guys, this one right here, you know, she's my wife, you know. So anyways, she told me that I'm gonna be walking through here. This is where I need to go to near the View Hostel, and I need to go and walk up to get to the top of this. And this is where we're going. We're going to the top, baby, to the top. Ooh! All right, so when we actually walk up this, guys, they say it's gonna be a really bad mosquito. So we have a bunch of mosquito spray. But as I was coming up here, I met a German at my stay. Here he is. Timo? Timo? So yeah, look at how steep this is. Look at this little canton. But yeah, we're gonna be walking up here to get to the top of this island. So it's called Viewpoint 3. They have 1, 2, and 3. We're taking a shortcut. The other way is like 50-minute walk. This way is 30 minutes, but full of mosquitoes. So we're gonna have to like pretty much book it. So we got this. See ya on the next clip. All right, guys, well, in my last video, one of the last ones, you guys saw that I was on Tiger Mountain or Cave Mountain Temple. Now look at this. This is pretty straight up. So yeah, we're gonna get there. We always get there. I always say it every time. Just put your mind to it and you can do it. So I got this and I'm gonna use it to get up to the top. All right, guys, so we made it to the top of PP Island, the tip top of this thing. So you already know what I do. I go 1, 2, 3. You ready? Look at this. This is beautiful. Wow. That is crazy. And guys, that's not even it. That is not even it. We're gonna show you the other side of this island. This is just nuts. Freaking nuts. Yeah, I know what to say. Every adventure that I do, it just gets better and better and better. I'm not lost for words. This is great. I'm really glad I keep doing these things, because look at, I'm on top of the world. This is just nuts again. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the sunset, and like, who knows what other adventures happen. So yeah, I'll probably show you when it starts going down. If not, then I left, because that was a crazy 30-minute hike up here. Just absolutely nuts. Just like I told you guys, another sunset. That is just good. That's some good stuff right there. Like, yeah, that's just really good. But yeah, me and the German and I, we're gonna probably head out of here. So yeah, yeah, we're probably gonna head out of here, and yeah, we'll see what adventure lies next. And just don't know. Just don't know. Do you know?
The reggae bar.
The what?
The reggae bar. The boxing bar. Ah, you're sitting over there yesterday, yeah.
There she is. My second girlfriend, guys. Look at her. Look at this beautiful woman. How we doing? You know, I just got done hiking with a German, and yeah, this is it. This is the life. So here, of course, you know, we're in Thailand. This is what they do. They got plenty of these things, and they just do this. But yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. But yeah, this is a great human. So, how do you like this job? You like it?
Yeah, I love my job.
Okay. She loves her job. I met her. She's gonna tell me how to maneuver around this island. And yeah, this is my last time I'm probably gonna see you. This is it.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gone. I'm gone tomorrow.
Oh, you have to leave tomorrow? Yeah.
I'm out here,
But tomorrow I get it off.
Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! All right, guys. Well, I think I'm gonna go see a little fire show, and I think that's about it. Yeah, I think maybe that might be the ending. I don't know. Bye. Bye. All right, guys. I'm at the fire show. This is what they do. Another last part of the day. But look at this. Absolutely wild. Look what they're doing with that guy in the middle. Yeah, but after this, I'm gonna show you one more thing, and then that will be it. That will be the full day here in BP. But yeah, this is pretty wild. And this is the last part, which is this wonderful reggae bar that we got going on. We got the box right here. You can't touch them, so otherwise you're gonna get charged. So yeah, this is a really, really cool spot. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yep. And this is where the magic happens. So this is gonna be the last part of the video, guys. Tourists come and they sit here and they fight each other in a Muay Thai ring fight in the beautiful Phi Island. So this is gonna be the ring. So they fight for a drink, a bucket, and yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna be sitting next to these British people. Yeah, they're traveling the world just like I am. So yeah, met them on the tour. Yeah. So yeah, this is gonna be the last little part. I'll show you guys maybe a clip or two. And yeah, this is this could be cool, man. This is gonna be really, really cool. Are we gonna fight? Are we gonna fight? Who knows? That's pretty raw, guys. That's pretty wild stuff. After watching that fight, guys, I'm thinking about doing it. I do wear contacts though, so I think I need to probably take those out. But I think I might fight. I might give it a shot. I'm thinking really hard. Pretty crazy. Look at this girl's fight.
You know what?
I'm not a fighter. Oh, sorry, I'm not a fighter. You want to do it? You want to fight me instead?
If you want, yes, but you know, slowly, man.
We're the same. We're the same.
No, man, look. Oh, look. I'm big, eh? I feel, but now I told him yes. So
No, you swap it. Say no. Say no. Come on.
yes, yes. Like, we can do a second one.
Showman, you are.
He needs to get changed. Hey. He needs to get changed.
So is it him?
It's okay. We go like
Do you want to go? Do you want to fight?
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
You want to fight? You fight him.
He's not a professional fighter. I'm not either.
No, I'm not.
I told you, I'm a really beginner, guys. I think this guy because he's drunk. What do you mean?
Yeah. I'm pretty sober, so.
Yeah, you're sober. So fuck you.
Yeah. No.
It's okay. Yeah, let's go together.
You're tall. All right.
Are we next? Hey. Let's tell them.
Trying, guys. I'm trying. But I want to say same weight class. I want to do it.
If I beat him, I'll fight him after. What's your weight? Come. I don't know, 82 kilos? I'm ready for.
You ready for? I'm like 88. I'm 88. Yeah.
You're bigger.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah, bro.
I'm about like 88, 87. Oh, man. All right. We'll see next one that steps up. Anybody try to fight? Fight. Nope. Nobody's trying to fight here. Are you trying to fight? You're probably a little bit bigger, but you want to try to fight? Are you trying to fight?
Oh, fuck no.
No.
Yeah.
You drink too much?
Dude, not only that, I'm just not the guy to do it.
Not the guy.
I'm not a fighter.
Okay.
I'm not very good at fighting.
Okay. Got it.
Are you trying to fight somebody?
Yeah, but somebody same weight class though. Same weight class.
I got you.
Is anybody trying to fight? Anybody? All right, we still can't fight fucking one person. All right. Is anyone trying to fight? You want to? But but too skinny. How much do you weigh? No, he's just skinny. Is anybody trying to fight? Me? Anyone? You want to fight? Up here? No. Dude, I'm still trying to find a fight. Does anybody want to fight? I'm about to walk around this whole fucking thing. All right. Is anybody trying to fight? Anybody? Are you trying to fight? Want to fight? You want to fight me? Yeah, you down? What's your name? All right, where are you from? Spain. Okay. I don't have fighting experience though, but I'm down to fight. He fight. Fighter? You fight? No. Does he fight? Is he a fighter? He's a fighter. Okay.
He's fighter?
He is.
But no, professional.
But you fight though. Yeah, we're same weight. Yeah. Do you want to? All right, I'm gonna get rocked, guys. This is gonna happen. What's your name? David. Huh? David. All right. We're gonna do this, guys. Bullseyepulse is gonna fight this guy right now in this ring tonight while being exhausted. We're gonna do it. All right. We got it. All right. You got it, David. All right. It's happening. I'm actually gonna fight a fighter. He's from Spain. He's probably gonna get me pretty good, but we're gonna get a fight after everything I just did. So we're gonna talk to this guy in this corner and get a fight going on right here. Alright guys, I want you to know that he had cauliflower here, and he's a fighter from Spain. So I'm gonna give it a shot. You gotta try everything in this life, and this is what you gotta do sometimes. So just walked into them, and this is how it's gonna be. Probably gonna get rocked, but yeah, this could be pretty good. Finished the fight, David and I, we're done. That was all good fun. We're watching the next fight happen, but yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. I went snorkeling, right? Climbed a mountain. I went to a fire show and I fought freaking a boxing fight in Thailand, right? Like this is just absolutely insane. But yeah, this guy's actually a fighter. He's got some cauliflower here. Look at that. Look at that. So, I mean, you never know what happens in life. It's just absolutely beautiful. So go do your thing. Enjoy it. If you're waking up, watching this, have a good morning. If you're falling asleep at night, have a good night. And if you're starting your day, have a good day. Peace out, guys.